Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? All are fine. I hope all are fine. Can we start today's lesson? In previous class, what we discussing? We are discussing about comparing quantities. Our newly eighth chapter, is it? Yes. That is, today we are going to discuss about our exercise 8.1. That is, if you done your homework in previous classes, any doubt from that section? Good. That is, here we are going to discuss about exercise 8.1, page number 109. 109. That is, what is the first question? First question is what? First question is find the ratio of the following. We want to find the ratios. That is, first is speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of a scooter 13 km per hour. Okay, that is speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of a scooter 30 km per hour. That is, first we rewrite the sentence. That is, speed of a cycle. Is it speed of a cycle 15 km per hour? 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter 13 km per hour. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, what is next? What is next? Next is we want to find the ratio. Then we write the ratio of the speed of cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter 30 km per hour equal to 15 km per hour is to 30 km per hour. Is it? Yes. That is next is 15 as to 30. That is what we can write. We can write it as 15 by 30. 15 by 30 equal to 1 by 2. That is 1 is to 2. That is 1 is to 2. First question answer is 1 is to 2. Any doubt? That is, this is the ratio. This is the ratio. And second one is second one is 5 meter to 10 kilometer. 5 meter to 10 kilometer. Is it? Yes. That is, when we compare the quantities, the units, first we make the unit as same. That is, here we can write as 5 meter, or we convert 5 meter into kilometer. One way. Another way is we convert 10 kilometer into meter. That is 10 kilometer equal to 10 into 1000 meter. 10 into 1000 meter. Is it right? Is it clear? Yes. That is, we get 10,000 meter. We get 10,000 meter. We get 10,000 meter. Is it? Is it? Yes. That is 10,000 meter. That is, we writing therefore ratio of 10 kilometer equal to 5 meter is to 10 kilometer. Next step we can write it as 5 meter is to 10,000 meter is it? Yes. And next step we can write it as 5 by 10,000. Is it? Is it? Is it? That is here 5 by 10,000 we get 1 by here 2,000. Is it? Yes. That is we can write it as 1 is to 2,000. 1 is to 2,000. 1 is to 2,000. Answer is 1 is to 2,000. That is the ratio. That is the ratio. 5 kilometer to 5 meter to 10 kilometer. And third one, 50 paise to 5 rupee. 50 paise to 5 rupee. 50 paisa is to 5 rupee. That is equal to 50 is to 5 rupee means 500 paisa. Is it? 50 paisa is to 500 paisa. That is 5 rupees. We can say that 5 rupees means 500 paisa. That is first we say that when we finding the ratios, we convert the units in same. That is we convert the units in standard form. Rupees in standard form is paisa. That is we can write it as 50 is to 500. That is 50 by 500. And next is when we simplify this, we get what we get? We get 5 by 50 and 1 by 10. That is equal to 1 is to 10. 1 is to 10. The ratio is 1 is to 10. The ratio is 1 is to 10. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubt? Okay, good. And next question is convert the following ratios into percentage. Convert the following ratios into percentage. That is what is convert? First one is second A part question is 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. That is we want to convert into percentage. There is two way to convert percentage. That is first method is we convert the denominator into 100. That is here we can write it as 3 by 4. Here denominator is 4. We want to convert the 4 into 100. That is we can say that 3 into 25 by 4 into 25. Is it? Yes. That is we get 75 by 100. 75 by 100. Is it? Yes. That is 75%. 75%. And another way we can find 3 by 4. We can also 3 is to 4. We can write as 3 by 4 into 100. This is another way 100%. That is we get here when we simplify this 25. 3 into 25 we get 75. 75% we get 75% also. This is the two methods, two ways to find the percentage. That is here is the ratio we want to convert into percentage. That is here 3 by 4 into 100 percentage, we get 75 percentage. And second B part question is what is 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. First method is we can write it as 2 by 3. We want to convert the denominator into 100. Which number we can multiply by 100? Which number? Here is we know any number. So we convert into 100. That is we multiply 2 into 100 by 3 into 100. 2 into 100 by 3 into 100. That is which way we get? That is 200 by 300. 200 by 300. That is we can write as which way we can write as? That is 66 and 2 by 3 percentage. 66 and 2 by 3 percentage. Or otherwise we can second method is 2 by 3 is 2 by 3 into 100 percentage. 2 by 3 into 100 percentage. What is the answer? We get 200 by 3. That is what is the answer? 66 and 2 by 3 percentage. 66 and 2 by 3 percentage. Easy. 66 and 2 by 3 percentage. This is the percentage. Then next is here is also percentage. Next is third question. 72 percentage of 25 students are interested in mathematics. Third question that is 72 percentage of 25 students interested in mathematics to study mathematics. And how many are not interested in mathematics? That is here we can find in two ways. First method is total number of students is 25. How many percentage students are like to study mathematics? That is students interested, 72 percentage students are interested to study mathematics. That is how many percentage of students not interested? That is 100 minus 72 percentage. Is it? Yes. That is we get 28 percentage. 100% minus 72 percentage, we get 28 percentage. That means number of not interested students is 25 into 28 percentage. That is 28 by 100. That is we can. Here is 4, here is 1, and here is 1, here is 7. We get 7 students. Answer is 7 students. Hence, 7 students are not interested to study mathematics. 7 students are not interested to study mathematics. And fourth question. What is our fourth question? Fourth question is a football team won 10 matches. Fourth question. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? That is, one more time I am repeating. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches. They played if their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? That is 10 matches are won or win the football team. The winning percentage is 40. And we want to find total number of play, or we want to find how many matches did they play in a total matches. That is, if 40 matches won, then the total number of matches played is what is? If 40 matches played, then total number of matches is 100. Is it right? Yes. Then if one matches is won, then the total number of matches is played. If one match is won, then total number of matches played is, we can write it as 100 by 40. 100 by 40. Is it right? Is it right? Yes. That is 10 matches is 10 into 100 by 40. That is, we can cancel and 10. That is what we get here is 10 by 4 is it? Or here is 10 into here 100 by 4 we get 25. 25. That is, hence 25 matches are played in an hour. Or otherwise we can find this is total number of matches. Let x be the total number of matches. Then 40% is 10. Then x into 40 by 100 equal to 10. That is, here we can cancel. That is 4x equal to 100. That is, we already studied the simple equation, simple linear equations. 10 is going to right side, or transposing. When we get 20 to 10, we get answer as 100. That is x equal to 100 by 4. That is equal to 25. That is, what is our x? X is total number of matches. X is total number of matches. And what is our question? Following like this, you can find the fifth question. That is for your homework. And next we are going to discuss about our sixth question. Next we are going to discuss about our sixth question. What is our sixth question? Sixth question is, if 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, then what percentage of the people like other games? And if the total number of people is 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of games. That is, here is giving 3 games. That is, first one is cricket, second one is football, and remaining like their games, then what is the percentage like the other games? That is, first one is cricket. Cricket lovers is 60%. Is it? And football lovers is 30%. We want to find other games nowadays. That is, total is 100%. 100% minus sum of these 2%. we get 10 percentage, sorry 100 percentage minus 90 percentage, we get answer as 10 percentage. That is other games lovers is 10 percentage. Other game lovers is 10 percentage. And what is our next question? If the total number of people is 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each game, who love each game. That is, first we write the total number of peoples. The total number of peoples. The total number of peoples is 50 lakhs. That is, how many zeros are there? There 50 lakh means 50 lakhs. That is, cricket lovers is, we get 50 lakhs into 60 by 100. That is, we get here, and that is, when we get 30 lakhs, is it? We get 30 lakhs. That means 30 lakhs people like cricket. And next we are find football lovers. Football lovers. That is, what is the football lovers? We get 50 lakh into which we get percentage is 30. That is 30 by 100. That is, we get 15 lakhs. We get 15 lakhs. And next is other game lovers. Other game lovers is 50 lakhs into 10 by 100. We get 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. That is, cricket 30 lakh and football 50 lakh and others 5 lakh. When we are adding these two, we get the total number of people. That is, what is 50 lakhs. That is, this is the answer. And next question is, that is, here we finished our exercise, and next we are going to discuss about finding the increase or decreasing percentage. We are finding the increasing or decreasing percentage. For example, we often come across such information. Daily lives, we are comparing to our daily lives, that is 25 off on market pieces or prices. In shops we see some many offers. Is it 25% discount, 30% discount? Is it? Yes, in textiles there are so many offers. They are hung on the boards. That is percentage increasing or decreasing. That is, first example is the price of a scooter was 34,000. The price of a scooter was 34,000. 34,000 last year. It has increased by 20% in or this year. What is the price now? That is, last year this scooter price was 34,000. In this year 20% price is increased. Then which way we find? That is, first method is 20% of 34,000. That is 24 into, sorry, here is 20%, not 24, 20%. That is 20 by 100 into 34,000. That is, we cancel this one, then we get 6,800 money is increasing. That is, in this year price of scooter is 34,000 plus 6,800. What we get? We get 40,800. 40,800. This is the one way. That is, first we find the 20% of 34,000. That is 6,800. That means these two, 34,000 plus 6,800. Then we get the money is for price is for 14,800. The second method is what is the second method? That is 20% is increased. So we take the percentage as, that is 20% increase means 100 plus 20. That is 120%. That is, we find the 120%. 120% of 34,000. That is, we get 120 by 100 into 34,000. We get 120 into 340. Then we can find 34 into 12, 8, 6, 4, 3. Is it? Yes. 8, 10 and 4. That is, we get 408. That is, we removing 2 zeros. That is 40,800. 40,800. This is the method. This is the method. And one more situation. Suppose a percentage is decreased in price, would simplify. That is, decreasing. Which way? Here is increasing. In which way we find the decreasing? That is, in order to increase it, say, if the price of scooter was decreased by 5%, then what is the price of scooter? Then what is the price of scooter? That is, we can also find in two methods. First method is, we find the 5% of 34,000. That is 5 by 100 into 34,000. That is, here is, what is the answer? Here we get 0. Q is carried. That is 1,700 rupees is decreasing. That is, we take the, now the new price is 34,000 minus 1,700, we get, what is the answer? Which way we get the answer? Answer is 32,300. We get the answer as 32,300. This is the one method. In another method, we can find which way, that is 5% is decreasing. That is 5 is decreasing from 100. That is we find 25% of 34,000. That is we cancel this. That is 95 into 330. That is 95 into 34. We can answer 22, 38 and 5 and 1 is carried 28. That is 0, 30, third and 3 and here is 1 0. That is we get the answer. Here is same 32,300. 32,300. That is the answer. So today I conclude my class.